Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to rename a folder. So what is a folder? A folder, it is like a space that can store your files, your other folders, also your other programs and other shortcuts of the program. So this is the folder and it can store all the files and other folders. So now let's have a look at the implementation. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are here at my desktop and this is the folder we created earlier. So if I want to rename this folder, I will have to right click over this, click on rename, then add the new name. I'm going to write the renamed and hit enter. So now the name of this folder is renamed. See, the name of this folder is now renamed. It's called rename. So this is how you rename a folder. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to rename a folder in Windows. Now thank you for watching.